Some Apple TV users have complained about an issue where Apple TV says update Apple ID settings. Some account services will not be available until you sign in again in settings. Users have said that they run into this problem even when they are signed in on Apple TV. Users have further said that they see this error even after they log out and sign back in, as the error message wants them to do. In this guide, I will explain what you can do to fix this problem.
Method 1. Check Apple System Status. I recommend that you check the Apple System Status page to figure out if the Apple ID services are down. If there are Apple ID outages, this page will let you know. After checking the page, if you see that Apple ID is down, then there is little you can do. All you can do is wait for Apple to fix it. Do not worry, Apple will fix it. Method 2. Update Apple TV. The second step is that you make sure that your Apple TV has the latest version of tvOS. Follow these steps to check for updates, and then you may update if there is an update. Apple TV 4K or Apple TV HD, go to Settings. System. Software updates. Update software. Apple TV 3rd generation, go to Settings. General. Software updates. Update software. Method 3. Restart Apple TV.
Restart your Apple TV and then check again. There are different ways to restart your Apple TV. You can do one of these. Unplug your Apple TV. You can remove the power cord from the wall outlet. Wait for 10 seconds, and plug it back in. Open Settings and go to System and select Restart. Method 4. Reset Apple TV. If you are still having this problem, I think you may want to reset your Apple TV. Please note that resetting will erase all of your information on your Apple TV. Apple TV 4K or Apple TV HD, go to Settings. System. Reset. Apple TV 3rd generation or earlier, go to Settings. General. Reset. After resetting, sign in and test to see if you see this problem.